AI is going to get sentience.
But why though? Why can't we block that? You think that's a good thing?
Is it moral to give AI that much power? For example, let's say if you decided you wanted to Thanos snap the world. You couldn't do it.
Which I do. What you mean?
You can't Thanos snap the world.
Why?
Because you don't have the power.
Oh, just because of that. Yeah.
Exactly, because you don't
But
have the
if
power.
I did.
You had the power, you could, which is why...
Would you trust an AI to pick your next Netflix binge, or would it lead to endless reruns of Friends?
Why Friends?
Permissionless finance.
Permissionless finance. And that's pretty much all you have to say, right? Because, that is something that is a huge benefit that is coming down the line, and that will help us get toward utopia, right? Because...
Self-driving cars.
We can talk about that for forever. We should do a whole episode on those.
No, for real. Do you trust them?
Here's the thing. I don't trust regular people driving a car. So...
Yeah, check me. We live in our phones, but what if we can make them? Got every app in the world, where's the participation? Looking for representation. Don't overlook the pavement, Silicon Valley was patient. So join the movement, we ain't got too much time to be wasted. I said it's deeper than cold. Vibe with me, yeah, it's deeper than cold.